hope you guys enjoyed the Lineage OS video. Thank you guys for 380 subscribers. So today we're going to be looking at CAOS OS Android 11 for A7 2018. So right off the bat, as you can see, there's many features, and you saw so many before in the notification bars. Many new features. So let's check out all the turbo settings. So you have all the standard settings. Unlike the Lineage No One, it doesn't have the theming option because it's trying to stay stock as possible. If you guys are looking for a stock Android ROM, I really do recommend CAOS OS. It's the most smoothest and most stock ROM you can actually flash for the A7 2018. Display settings, you get your usual, it's the same thing. Change the display size. So guys, and this is something new. It's got the system UI tuner. I think CAOS OS would like to add new features, new customizations, maybe a little bit, so you can tweak your UI. So it's very less customization. So if you're looking for GSI that has a lot of customization, I do not recommend this one. But I will be releasing a new video for Descendant Android 11 OS that has so many customization. So guys, if you want to see that video, get this video to 15 likes, and after this video gets 100 views, I will release the installation video for CAOS OS. Security, you have all the security of fingerprint, screen lock, and they all work perfectly. So let's test it out quickly. 1 2 3 4. Next, let's re-enter the pin. Let's just test it out, see if it works. As you can see, it's actually reading my fingerprint, so there's no fingerprint issues. It works perfectly. Let me just quickly do this. So the lock screen fingerprint does work perfectly. So guys, show your system, the gestures work, you can change it. It's not a bug like the ASOP Android 11. This is a fully stock with the minimal customizations, but I wouldn't really call them customizing tool. There's just small tweaks you can do to your UI, but still the best stock GSI you can flash on the A7 2018. General gesture settings, navigations. So yeah, it's very close to stock. So as you can see with the new Android 11, you have the screenshot on the left hand corner. Now let's just simply check out some home screen settings. So you got the simple home screen settings, nothing new here. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. I hope you really liked the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video, and I see you guys next time.